In this video lesson, I will show you what is Australian dollar Japanese yen lot size calculator. The link for this calculator will be below in the description, but also you will have an article that explains a little bit more details about this lot size calculator, how to calculate the lot size with the desired stop loss in the pips and also percentage. Let me show you more details about this lot size calculator, which fields it has and how to use it. Here is an instrument defined, and that is Australian dollar Japanese yen, but you can also change to any other currency here. Then you have a deposit currency set to US dollar, and that is the deposit currency on your trading account. Mine is set also to USD, but you can change that to any other with this drop down menu. Then you have here a field for the stop loss in the pips. I have put 100 pips as stop loss, but you can change this value to any other number. Then you have here the account balance. The account balance is the current account balance, or you can put any number here for the calculation. I have put $10,000 because my account is also $10,000. Then you have here Australian dollar Japanese yen 1 pip size that tells you at the market price for the Australian dollar Japanese yen, the 1 pip is set to second decimal point. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is set 93.633. It has 3 decimal points, but the third decimal point is the pipette. On the second decimal point, where the number 3 is the pip. So when the 3 changes to the 4 or 2, which means a change by 1, it has changed by 1 pip. And here it is a risk field where you can put the percentage of the risk that you will take with 100 pips stop loss. I have put 1%, but you can also change that to the deposit currency, which is US dollar. So if you like to risk 100 US dollar, that will be 1% of $10,000. I will change that to percentage. I would like to use the percentage instead of the currency. Then you have here a field which you cannot change. This is automatically used by the lot size calculator, which is needed to calculate the result in the US dollar deposit currency. Then you have here a contract size, which you can also change to any number, but contract size tells you how much units, which is 100,000 units per one lot. For the Forex pairs, you always have one lot is equal to 100,000 units. When you click calculate, you get defined risk and also the lot size. So for the Australian dollar Japanese yen, if you would like to risk 1% of $10,000 with 100 pips as a stop loss, that will mean $100, but the lot size will be equal to 0.146. And that means if you would like to open an order, let's open a new one. For example, let's open a pending order that will open in the future at the market price. For example, let's put 93 and put stop loss 100 pips, that will mean 92, and the take profit also, let's take 100 pips, that will be 94. Here in the volume you need to enter the lot size, the volume or the position size, and that is 0.146. And you can see that the trading platform always accepts only 2 decimal points, so I will round this number to 0.15. That means that when I open a new order, let's open new one order, here it is, the order with the stop loss take profit, I will not have a stop loss equal to $100 because I have not used 0.146. I have used 0.15. So let's see how much that is the difference. Let's see, it is minus $102.75. So that means $2.75 is slightly different, the stop loss, but that is very close enough to calculate the 1% risk on $10,000 with the stop loss. Now you can see you can use this lot size calculator to calculate desired or also necessary lot size to open the trade with 100 stop loss pips. And it is based on the money at risk. So if that is okay, you can open your trade. If not, simply change these values here, or the stop loss or the risk or the account balance. So it is in line with your risk management. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!